Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Chinese chicken herbal soup. And the ingredients are chicken 2.5 kg, black pepper, a few pieces of celery, dry Shitake mushroom, but we have to soak in overnight, and dry red date, light soy sauce, rock sugar, and the herb in the packet you can get from Oriental supermarket. Okay, all this herb we need to wash first. Okay, I show you how much we need to use. I think this one we call ginseng. I don't know what it's called. My creeping man going to explain later, and then we're going to put on top. I think this one is called lychee berry. What is called this one? Geji or Gei? Goji.
In Japanese it's called goji.
Yeah, because
well,
just
what's it called?
Gauki. Yeah, because just too many.
Wolfberry.
Yeah. Wolfberry in English they call wolfberry. Okay, we put the 2 liters of water in the pot. But we can add water later when we boil it. Okay, and we wash this one. We wash all the herb. We put in here. Quite easy to make this soup. So we use black pepper, about 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then we put the mushroom, but we wash a few times of the mushroom. You can have every day this soup. Okay, then we put chicken.
This one to boil or this one?
Yeah, to boil like this. Yeah, and first put 4 spoon of light soy sauce first. Then we can adjust the taste later. Quarter of salt. Quarter of tablespoon of salt. Get the rock sugar. Yeah, just this one about 5 grams, yeah, of rock sugar. That's it. This is all the ingredient. That's it. And then
why we use rock sugar instead of
normal sugar? The taste is just sweet, very sharp. This one is balanced or yeah, and then that's it, all the ingredient, and then we adjust later. This one is take about half an hour, but we still need to keep on looking. When the froth, you can see the froth come up, then you just throw the froth. Okay, when you see this bubble come up, you just throw all the bubble, and then lower the gas, make the soup is clear. Okay, when you can see when the water reduce, right? You can add a little bit more, and then just make it boiling, because this one is take, as I told you, it's take half an hour. The chicken going to soft and Yeah, nice and soft, right? And then you can have it. Yeah, for the chicken soup, herbal Chinese chicken soup. The creepy man going to explain how the benefit of all the herbal, what you get, yeah, from this one.
Shan invigorates the spleen and stomach, tonify the lungs, reinforces the qi and nourishes the blood. Zhu clears heat and nourishes yin. American ginseng cools and nourishes the qi. Gei replenishes the qi and blood and also replenishes yin and yang. Shan tonifies the stomach, spleen, nourishes the lung qi and the lung yin.
Yeah, and then just make it boil, and then that's it. Because the chicken done cook and
so
soft.
what's the reason to add more water?
Not because this one the water reduced. Yeah, reduce, and then just add, and the taste is back to normal. If not, the become very salty. Yeah, and then that's it. Yeah, and then we're going to have. Okay, and that's it how the Chinese herbal soup look like, and then we're going to have for breakfast. Okay, I top with the Chinese chilli, but you don't have to. Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, we've got this lovely Chinese herbal chicken soup. With I think kind of Hong Zhao, Gei Danshan. There's loads of. You can pick these up in any good Asian supermarket. Let's give this a go. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's really good. Especially the flavour of the shiitake comes through. It's just goodness all the way through. It's comfort and just tastes healthy. This reminds me when I was a kid, my auntie Stella would make this. She's from Malaysia. She would make something similar to this. And my old housemates would make this as well. I just love it. It's really, really good. So I'm going to share this with Chef 2. We're going to have lunch. And yeah, this one is a great one to have. It's obviously more of a Chinese dish, but you know, it's got that Chinese flavor profile, but it's just really a great, healthy, homely comfort food that just makes you feel all warm and gooey inside. So give that a try, and we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.